I send the one here to Mr. Vegas. I come to make a disclaimer. Mr. Vegas, I don't want to take an argument out of context, sir. In regards to my previous video that I did, telling some people say, you must be careful because none of you don't know who is behind the vice. It could be your next door neighbor. It could be somebody that you sit down and run bar a drink with or sit down a roadside and chat up with. Nobody don't know. And that's why I tell the people them say, to be careful. Now, all you come now and say, I try put fear in the people. What kind of madness that, Mr. Vegas? Is it wrong to tell people to be careful? You never tell nobody to be careful yet. Even your children, them are people in your surrounding. Mr. Vegas, if you look on I, Shocking Murray, and say, Shocking Murray, shut a lick down the road, you know. Be careful how you go down there. That not going to stop me from go down the road. I still have to go down the road, but me have to be careful because I shot a lick down there. So when I tell the people them say to be careful, that don't mean say they don't talk. I never tell no one not to talk. And I never tell no one to fear no one. I only tell people to be careful. Or could I come on internet and I tell people say they not to talk? Everybody free to talk. You know, see me attack, you attack and everybody attack. But you want now. I only tell people to be careful. Nothing wrong with that by telling people to be careful. So where fear I go, where Hitler go, and all them type of thing there. No, Mr. Vegas, man, don't do that. Don't take me argument out of context like that, brother. I know some mean it. I know some mean it. You dissect my argument and translate it wrong. That what you said, Mr. Vegas, was false. Yeah, man. I hear me. A piece of love, you know. I want love, you know, Mr. Vegas. You don't know a thing go. Seeing? But I know some mean it like what you say. Seeing? Go and big up yourself, man. I want love, man. Rastafari. You don't know a thing go. Me! Shocking Murray said that.